As you can see, the kitchen concept kitchen is decked out with plenty of color and flavor, and you know what that means. It's Nolan's time with Chef Stewart Davis for Flannery's Bayou and Barbecue. Welcome to DelmarvaLife.
I look so forward to doing this all the time.
We do too.
I have such a good time doing this, and so many people say that they hear it and they try the recipes at home, so it's really very nice. I enjoy it.
Oh, well, thank you.
And I
we
like
enjoy
dressing
it too.
up.
Yes, I know that. Okay, so what are they going to be trying to make?
Okay, today we are going to make a blackened catfish with a crawfish butter white wine sauce and New Orleans style dirty rice. So we have the blackened over here and we have the dirty over here.
Okay, all right. So I'm making the blackened seasoning?
Yep, so with blackened seasoning, we have paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, basil, thyme, oregano, pepper, onion powder, salt, and Old Bay seasoning.
Okay, all of that.
And what you're gonna do,
Dump it all
toss it in there and mixy like you usually do.
I can't mess that up, can I?
So while she's doing that, we're gonna start the dirty rice.
All right.
Now, dirty rice is comes out of really Afro-American style of cooking. It was originated in New Orleans, like the blackened seasoning was originated in New Orleans, but it has that influence of French and Creole. Mm-hmm. So what we're doing is we're having old sausage. Now, really, with dirty rice, the authentic dirty rice, you do leftover organ stuff. You know how they make scrapple?
Sure, yeah.
So sort of like that.
Okay.
But they usually use liver, chicken gizzards, stuff like that, because it was more of a slave or underclass food. So they put everything that was left. All the good stuff went to the rich people, and all the other stuff went to the poor people. So that's how that works. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of oil in here, just enough. Okay, now I'm going to get you to put the andouille sausage in.
All right.
Bam.
Here we go.
We'll turn this up just a little bit, and we'll put these onions in, just about half of them.
Half of them, okay.
So, Steve, have you ever dirtied rice before?
You know, I have, but not with a set recipe. Like I've done if I have some stuff left over.
Absolutely.
And that's kind of how I'll do it.
You can use a lot of stuff. I mean, you don't have to. I have sausage that I cooked up, so I just go and put sausage in there. You can put chicken livers, you can put chicken, you can put beef, you can put whatever you want. The reason why it says dirty rice is because it turns gray.
Right.
You know, so basically that's it. Now we put green peppers in there.
All right.
Yep, and garlic.
Garlic.
And we like garlic.
Think we got enough there?
Yep, put about about half of that, 3/4 of that in there.
I almost dumped the whole thing in there.
All right.
How's that?
You can dump the whole thing in there.
You sure?
Yeah.
Because we're going to wind up adding it
Because we like
anyway,
it.
right?
You guys are eating it anyway. So
Yeah.
you get to interview everybody and breathe on people with your garlic. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll mix this up, and you can smell it already.
You can. Although I think I have some blackened seasoning in my...
In your schnoz. Oh.
So if I sneeze, I'll sneeze that way.
So we're going to put a little bit of blackened seasoning in here.
Oh, I'm putting this in there?
Yeah, just put a little bit in here.
Like that?
Yep, that's fine. Okay, then we're going to take this and put this over there.
Okay.
And you do that little thing with your hands. That's good. Now we're going to do it 2 different ways. Blackened seasoning does not have to be hot.
Okay.
Okay, this spice is a little spicy, but if you come to Flannery's and you say, I don't want it hot, I want it blackened, I'll go and blacken for you without a whole bunch of spice.
That's good
so
to know.
You can do it a little different ways. So put this in your hand.
Okay.
One of those catfish fillets.
All right.
All right, and what you want to, put it just like this.
Oh, put it in my hand?
Yep, and then sprinkle on the top.
Oh.
A lot of people will coat it. Okay, now turn it over, and then sprinkle on the top. There you go. Now we're going to put it in tail first, that way.
Okay, tail first. I guess that's the tail.
We'll put a little bit of oil in there too for you.
Okay.
Okay, now everybody in the office is going to smell it. All right, now you do the other one, and we'll do the same thing. Just sprinkle it on there because you like spice.
I do.
I know you like spice. Do you like spice?
I love spice.
Okay,
sure.
then put it in there the real way. Drop it in there. There you go. There you go.
I was wondering why you weren't doing it that way. But
yeah,
I guess
this way makes it a little bit less spicy.
Gotcha.
So I guess if you say that. Yep. And do you know why you put the tail that way?
No, because you told me to.
Hey, very good. I wish my wife thought like that. Well, I'm not married, but no, because you don't want to splash yourself.
Oh, okay.
So you put your tail in and go that way, and then that way it all goes outside that way.
Okay, well, we're gonna need to take a little break here. We're gonna let this cook up, and we come back. We're gonna finish up this delicious Nolan's dish from the Kitchen Concepts kitchen. Stick around.
Water.
We've been getting a lesson on authentic Nolan's seasoning in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen this afternoon. That's because Chef Stewart Davis of Flannery's Bayou and Barbecue is here, and this smells fantastic.
Well, as you can see, we flipped the catfish over.
Yes.
The dirty rice is going. Now we're going to make the crawfish butter sauce.
Ooh.
So we're going to add just a teeny bit of oil. Just a little bit to get it going. Now you can toss in your red onions.
All right. The whole thing?
Sure.
Do go with all the garlic we're gonna eat.
That's right. Sure. And then we're just going to chop this up a little bit. Gonna let that cook. It's supposed to be going shh. Maybe a good shh in a minute. There we go.
There you go.
We're starting to
getting some shh.
So we're going to take your catfish here.
That's some good-looking catfish.
That's the top.
Oh, wow.
Bang.
Yes, all right.
All right, and this is the top, and this is a little spicy one. That's a spicy.
Just a little spicy.
Okay, and the crawfish is going, the crawfish sauce. We're going to take crawfish, we're going to go and just add it right in there.
Now, do you peel all the crawfish, or do you buy it already?
I have people.
You have people?
I have people that take care of this.
What do you do for a living? I peel crawfish.
I'm going to bring crawfish in here one day, and I'm going to have you taking care of boiling it, taking it out, pinching the tail, and sucking the head.
Okay. But once
gonna
that
do that.
happens,
All
I'll
right.
be considered a true Nolan's.
That's a true Cajun.
Cajun,
Right.
that's it.
You know they have those cooking shows on TV, and you know Justin Wilson, right?
Yeah.
He's actually not from Louisiana.
Uh-oh.
That little accent and stuff. He's a good player. He's a good player. Okay, now we're going to take the butter.
All right.
First, you gotta throw the
How much of this butter you want in there?
Half. I hope just stick it. Just stick it.
Just stick it?
Yep, there we go. And then we'll just do this.
There you go.
Okay,
Oh,
look at
yes.
this. And now you don't want your butter to
Brown.
Yeah, you don't want your butter to brown. This is just a real light sauce. Now you're going to take some of your wine.
Okay.
And pour just about a little bit in there.
Just a little bit?
Yep, there you go.
Butter and wine.
There you go. And look at that sauce.
Oh,
Wow.
that looks
So,
amazing.
That smells phenomenal. It really does.
We're going to take the sauce, and we're going to put it right over top.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So you get a little of the catfish, you get a little bit of the crawfish.
Yep. And you get a little dirty.
A little bit of rice that
And
steam dirtied.
We're going to take this dirty rice, and we're going to put it right here. And is this one is Lisa's, right?
It's the
I think.
less spicy.
Yes,
Sure.
yes, I get the less
That's yours.
spicy one. Oh, wow. That looks amazing.
Now we are going to be open September 10th. So 1 week from today, we're going to be open, and this will be on the menu. I'll have this. I'll have lemon grilled rockfish. I'll have the blackened catfish. I'll have fried catfish. Tons of people love fried catfish.
I love fried catfish.
And I have barbecued shrimp and all kinds of good stuff. Plus, my original barbecue, fresh pork barbecue, pit beef, sliced brisket, etc.
All right, we're running out of time. Real quick, where are you located?
We're located in 504 South Camden Avenue in Fruitland. If you're going to go on Camden Avenue, don't forget there's a little place right in the middle on Camden
that's
Avenue
right.
that you have to go through a detour. So if you get on the highway, then just go to Route 13, hit the main street in Fruitland, go to the light, make a left. I'm there. 5 minutes away from just about everywhere. 10 minutes away from north side of town.
Wonderful.
Open Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Starting a
All
week from
come.
tonight.
Starting the 10th.
The 10th.
The 10th.
A week from tonight. All right. Thank you so much. This is excellent. I highly recommend it. And we are going to continue eating. And when we come back, we'll have more DelmarvaLife. But this will be all gone.
Bam, bam.